So I'm going to do a brief demonstration around how to create responsive layouts within Tandem. So the first thing we're going to do is deselect from any element on the stage, and then we're going to add a new query. We're going to select screen size, and then we're going to call this mobile. Go ahead and edit this and say the max width of this media query is 400 pixels. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new variant within each of the components that need to be attached to this media query. We're going to call it mobile as well. So, or actually we'll just say small. And then we'll say this one is also small. And then what we're going to do is we're going to attach this trigger, that variant. We're going to say the action is mobile and the variant is small. And then we're going to do the same thing over to this element right here. We'll call this to do item. And then we're going to give it a new trigger, mobile, variant, small, same thing. So then what we're going to do is create a new instance of this application, and then we'll notice here that we have this little lightning bolt, which implies that there is a trigger attached to this variant. And so what we're going to do is we're going to trigger that. So we'll make the frame size 316 pixels, and you'll notice now that the trigger is activated. So at this point, what we could do now is we can say we'll add some styles to this small screen size. And so we'll say the size of this will be 72, and then we'll go over to our to-do item, which also has the variant attached, or the media query attached. Change the font to Helvetica, and then we'll make this, change the variant to small, and then we'll change the color to, say, red. So now we have it such that if the small variant is triggered, which is attached to the mobile media query, then the color is red and the header text is really big. So we'll go ahead and deactivate that. We'll activate this again. And that's it.